Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. After disconnecting the cable, you will find screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Additionally, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before any work is carried out. You can also receive a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Once all screws are in place, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL should now be equipped with a new battery, ready to provide you with the performance you need. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly extend the life of your device, so keep an eye on its performance and act accordingly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.